Alright guys, so I made a PalWorld server. If you want to join, it's called geeks2play.com. Password is palmaster. Right now it's 8 slots. If that gets filled up, I'll bump it up to 16. We got 128 gigs of RAM total, so we could have a lot of players if needed. Alright, so I am testing out our new player script. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your player. Skip this. So you start off with empty inventory. So what's going to happen is during the next server reset, we're going to gift all the new players a starter kit, basically. We're not doing it real time because we don't want to use the Windows server with the PAL Defender and the Unity gaming script stuff. So we're going to stick to the Linux server, lightweight. All right, so you create your character, you log out, you wait for the next server reset. You can still play. It'll give you the stuff still. It'll just check to see if your inventory has enough space. So let's pretend server resets happened and the script is going off, right? So let's give it a second. And then we also get Discord notifications when someone comes online, when the server goes off. So it said here, starter kit granted to my player ID. Server's back online. So I'll go back to the server. And then I go to my inventory, and there we go. We have our starter kit. So the server resets at 5 a.m. Eastern time every day. So if you're joining today, you'll have to wait till tomorrow to get your kit. You can still play if you want. Just make sure there's room in your inventory. And that's about it. Enjoy. We'll have some more custom scripts coming up later. We'll probably do level-based rewards. We'll check inventory, see if you caught any special pals, get rewards off of that. Just making a nice casual game.